Let's talk about Florida Paint's Polyurea system. This product has similar characteristics to Epoxy, however, it has a quicker return to service. Polyurea has a 2-to-1 mix ratio, 2 parts A, which are the resin, to 1 part B, which is the activator. The part A's come in pre-pigmented or clear. However, you can use one of our color pods with the clear Polyurea part A to pigment the product to the color of your choice. Polyurea is not a UV stable product, so if you're using this product, make sure that you fully broadcast the floor to prevent any base coat exposure. And always top coat with a quality polyaspartic to provide UV stability and protect your surface. This is the Polyurea system we offer at Florida Paints in their Flo-Coatings line.